Next problem we're doing is closure problem 9-156. Again, we are solving for x. In problem A, x is right here. It's 5x plus 3 is the measure of this angle. In order to solve for x, we're going to have to figure out what the measure of this angle is first, and then we'll be able to set up an equation to solve for x. So if we look at the lines here, we notice that these two lines are parallel. So these are parallel lines cut by a transversal. So we know that we have a few relationships in that case that may be of help to us. So we have corresponding angles, which in this case, we don't really have a corresponding angle to that one. So we're going to keep going. There's something here called alternate interior angles. So if there are two angles on the inside of parallel lines, and those angles are on alternate sides of the transversal. So in this case, they're on opposite sides of the transversal. Then we know that they are congruent. So that's useful to us because since this angle and this angle are alternate interior angles, we know that they are congruent. So 5x plus 3 degrees, 5x plus 3 degrees is going to be equal to 128 degrees. All right, so now we'll use our equation solving skills to find x. We need to get x by itself. The first thing we're going to do is undo this plus 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. This zeroes out, and all we have left on this side is 5x. On this side, we have 125 degrees. So now we need to get x to be just 1x. So if we divide by 5, 5 over 5 is 1. So we just have 1x here. And we need to do the same thing on this side. So 125 divided by 5 is, let's see, 5 goes into 10 2 times, 5 goes into 25 5 times. So x is equal to 25. So if we wanted to, we could plug that in to 5x plus 3 just to check that. 5 times 25 plus 3. 5 times 25 is 125, plus 3 is 128. And 128 is the same as our alternate interior angle over here, 128. So these are both equal. So x is equal to 25.